Kuki people, or Kukiland. Okay, so welcome back again, guys. So I'm here with.
Myself, Nitesh Rao.
Okay, this is Nitesh, my friend, guys, and this is Gabs Gabi from Africa, guys. And today we are going to check one day cover by Kuki people or Kuki Zoo. Yeah, the people who are going to be having the Kukiland. So previously we've been reacting to few of Kukiland guys, and we got a lot of suggestion and a lot of support from you guys, and we are so happy that most of you are following up and staying tuned to our channel, guys. So we promise to be reacting to you daily. So what we need from you guys is all your support, and at the same time also we'll be praying for your peace and justice, whatever you want, guys. Hopefully God will grant it to you guys. So today we'll check one day by Kuki people, the Kukiland guys. Don't forget, subscribe, guys, put on the bell and share this video into your community group, guys. Let's go. One day cover by Kuki, various artists. We have so many artists there also.
Sometimes I lay under the moon and thank God I'm breathing. Then I pray, don't take me shoot, cause I am here for
The song is only in English, guys.
Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let it get me down. So when negativity surrounds, I know someday it'll all turn around, because all my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more, there'll be no more war, and our children will play. One day, one day, one day, one day, one day, one day. It's not about win or lose, 'cause we all lose when they feed on the souls of the innocent. Blood drenched pavement, keep on moving though the waters stay raging.
This song is so inspiring, guys. This is a very peaceful song.
Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let it get me down. So when negativity surrounds, I know someday it'll all turn around, because all my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more, there'll be no more war, and our children will play. One day, one day, one day, one day, one day, one day. One day this all will change.
Chin
People
or keep.
will say, stop with the violence, down with the hate. One day we'll all be free
By
and
May,
proud to
by
be
May Choi.
under the same sun, singing songs of freedom life.
People are suffering, guys. People are losing their place, the shelters, food, guys.
All my life I've been
Say
waiting
no to
for,
fight,
I've
say
been
no to
praying
war, guys.
for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more, there'll be no more wars, and our children will play. One day, one day, one day, one day, one day, one day.
We are all praying for the lost souls. You know what? Whenever I watch those people music, I feel like those people they really suffered. Like they really, they're like, they're really done with whatever they experience, man. Like, for now, even if from the comment section, from the videos I reacted, like, I feel like those cookie people, they are tired. Like, they don't want anything again. They just want justice.
Justice.
They just want justice. And I'm just hoping they will get what they want. Because, like, see, if me and you, we don't like each other, what will happen? We only have to be apart, separate, right? Justice, you take your part. Because peace will come only if both of us accept each other and like accept each other. That is very important. Apart from our background, guys. Like, it is not the first time to, like, in India. I know India is democratic. There is a lot of religions, right? So, but India is still great. I see India is still great, guys, because see so many. India is just a country and it's not a continent, and it's having more than four religions within this country. I can give you one example. Like, I'm from South Sudan, Africa, right? Before only we were having only two religion, that is Muslim and Christian. But in that country, it was only called Sudan. But also we experienced a lot of fight because of religious and political issue. So what happened is that our people decide to separate. So I became South Sudan. So now they call me South Sudan, but we were all as one Sudan. So because of the religious. So if someone tell you they are South Sudan like me, I am Christian. Anyone will tell you they are South Sudan. Most of them they are Christian. If they tell they are Sudan, they are Muslim. So this is similarly civil war we experience in my country. People fought, people kill each other, and they were same people only from the same place. This is what exactly is happening in Manipur. And for me, I don't know what will happen in Manipur. I'm just hoping them the best. And for me, I'm just guessing. I think the Kuki people, they just need to separate.
Yeah.
Because, but this song actually is so inspiring, right?
Yeah.
This song. I really love this song, guys. It is a peaceful song. This song is just inspiring people to avoid fighting. Because we have the young generation who are coming up, guys. And within this world, so they are going to lose their life. They are going to die of lack of food, lack of shelter, guys. So our prayers with you guys, the Kukiland, Mizo people, the Zomi people, the Hamar guys. You know what is good for you. Like, I'm not in your state, but you know what you went through and what you want now. So what we can wish is just we can wish them all the best only, right? Yeah. So that is it. You have something to add? Now, so thank you so much, guys. Thank you for supporting, guys. Don't forget, subscribe, put on the bell, and see you tomorrow. You will be having one video again from Kukiland. All the best. God bless you all.